Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Now, you guys know that I am a lover of beautiful backdrops, and so today I want to show you guys how simple it is to put together these amazing floral backdrop walls in less than 10 minutes. Now, this particular backdrop wall is a floral wall that I wanted to get for my fall weddings because, when people start using the pinks and things like that in the fall, they're typically deeper and they are accompanied by different colors like purples and wisterias and, all of those. So I definitely wanted to update my pink collection to include the darker pinks. I have, used the blush pinks and baby pinks. So I definitely wanted something that would go throughout the fall season as well. And so when I got this wall from rosemorning.com, I knew that it was going to be absolutely amazing. And I also wanted to tell you guys up front that if you are interested in this wall, use my code Melanie, which is my name, code Melanie, to save 20% off of your wall. Now, I love these because there are several updates that they made to the wall since we first started getting them, and one of them is to add the Velcro down to the middle because at first it just had the ties, and now they also have Velcro, which makes it a lot easier to make the walls look seamless. So here we're just trying to decide which way the walls needed to be laid out in order to connect them, and as you guys can see, they're very luscious and very gorgeous. I just absolutely love the quality. Many of you guys have asked about what type of backdrop pole system to use with these. I use the ones from Georgia Expo. Now, these are a little bit older. Maybe, they were a lot sturdier back when I got these. They're several years old. All of my backdrop poles have blue tape around them, as you can see at the bottom. But I use the ones from Georgia Expo, and they have held up the walls just fine. Now, my earlier walls were much, much, much heavier. These walls are a lot lighter and they are still just as luscious and beautiful. So just an FYI, those are the poles that I have used for my walls and I have not had any issues. Now, if you are having issues with the poles that you currently have, I would suggest using maybe some cement blocks or sand blocks to hold your bases down. And then in terms of the top pole, if you're having issues with that, then I would suggest using extra support on the back of your poles. That's just an FYI, but I do use the ones from Georgia Expo for my heavier backdrops. Now, if I'm using fabric, you can use the ones from eFavor Mart. They work just fine for fabric pieces. And they also have the double backdrop poles now that I will link down in the description box below. Now, once we have the wall secured, it's super easy to put it on. You just want to clamp it up on either side. Now, I will say that I highly suggest, using two people. It makes it a lot easier to put them up. I tried to do it myself before. You guys know that does not work at all, but I highly suggest using two people. So for this one, it's myself and Adelie, and we are both petite women, and we were able to do it without a struggle. Now, once we get the backdrop pole up, the next thing that we did was that we connected the Velcro down the middle in order to create that seamless finish. Another thing I love about this backdrop wall is that because of the backing that's on it, you don't have to create a backing like you did with the other backdrop walls or the grids that you had to put together, because it already comes secure excuse me, on the back. So keep that in mind. The next thing that you want to do after you Velcro it and tie it down the middle, you want to tie the sides to the backdrop poles. And once you get it on properly, the flowers will cover your pole. But if you want to cover your poles, you can definitely use some extra fabric to cover your poles as well. And then you want to make sure that you lift your poles on each side so that they're even on both sides. So you may have to step back and just kind of look to make sure that they're even, and then you want to secure your ties once you get your poles in the proper position. So that is exactly, this is real time. You know, this is exactly how long it took for us to do it. Very, very simple, very, very straightforward. The best quality flower walls I have ever personally purchased. I've not seen any walls out there this full and this luscious anywhere. And they are just really easy to use, and it just brings so much to your room, to your event. You could also use it if you have like a studio or a boutique. It's so useful. The next thing that we like to do once we get everything put up is we like to kind of play around a little bit with the designs and with the new features. So I was just so in awe with how gorgeous and how luscious this wall was. I mean, I had to capture all of the beauty up close for you guys, and I definitely have that on my IG. But what I wanted to show you guys was this new feature, because they're always updating their walls, and it is just so luscious and so gorgeous. This is what it looks like up close. On the side, of course, we have the side ties, which have always been there. But one thing that they've added are the new flaps, the ties along the top. And I love that because you can use that to connect any signage, like any lights, neon lights, or any balloon arches. You can just tie it on to your actual backdrop. And I will be showing you guys how to do that in an upcoming video on, I'm going to share it on Amazon Live. So if you guys have not been joining me for Amazon Live, be sure to check it out. You guys will be, you're missing out if you're not already a member. If you just, all you have to do is just follow me on Amazon, and it will alert you when I go live, so that you will never miss out on any of the tutorials that I will be sharing with you guys every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So definitely check me out. Go over there right now and follow me so that you will not miss out on these amazing tutorials. We spend about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour together doing step by step that I don't really get to share in a YouTube video, just because of timing purposes. So this is the wall, you guys. I absolutely love it. It is incredible. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. I have so much new and exciting content coming, you guys, coming your way. Office makeovers, weddings and events galore, tutorials, you name it, I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I even have some event decor ideas for male events. You guys just stay tuned. I don't want to spoil the surprise for you. So turn on your notification bell. Be sure to share this video with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your continuous and unwavering support. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me,